Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss the detailed explanation of construction of a transformer. In the next video I will discuss the operation of a transformer. So let's get into the topic. Of a transformer. Before going to the construction of transformer, we have to define what is meant by transformer. Actually, transformer is a static device. Static means there is no rotational parts. Transformer is a static device which transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit through the medium of magnetic field without change in frequency. This is important one. Without changing frequency. In another words, transformer is also defined as transformer is a static device which step up or step down the voltage without changing frequency. Here we are saying that without changing frequency means it is also known as constant frequency device. Constant frequency device. We can also use this word. Coming to the construction of a transformer, this is a actual transformer. This is core and this is limb. The electrical circuit which receives energy from the supply. The electrical circuit, this is circuit which receives energy from the supply. This is supply. From the supply we are receiving the electrical energy. This is called primary winding. And the second one is other circuit which delivers the electrical energy. Which delivers means this is the another circuit which delivers this current. Delivers this current to load is known as secondary winding. Secondary winding. First one is which receives the electrical energy from the supply is known as primary winding. Which delivers the electrical energy to the load is known as secondary winding. This core is made up of silicon steel. Silicon steel. These are having some laminations. This is the flux. Produced flux from primary winding. Pi 1. This is pi 2. The core is made up of silicon steel and having some laminations. Why we are using these laminations means to reduce the eddy current losses. In the losses we will discuss what is meant by eddy current loss and what is meant by hysteresis loss. In the losses we will discuss. Based on construction, transformer can be divided into two types. First one is core type transformer. This is the figure of core type transformer. How to define this core type transformer is, here we can observe that windings surrounded by a core. These are windings: HV winding, LV winding, LV winding and HV winding. HV winding, LV winding, LV winding, HV winding. Why we are placing this LV winding near to the core means there is a reason actually why we are placing this LV winding near to the core besides this core. To reduce the leakage flux, we can use this LV winding near the core, or if any high voltage are occurred, actually when we place this HV winding here, if in cases high voltage is passing through this winding means the core will be damaged. So in the place of high voltage winding we are placing this LV winding. Here in this core type transformers we are required less iron. More conducting material is required for core type transformer. In the next point we can define this as a core type transformer only having single path only. Single path for flux. This is flux. Symbol is this pi. This core type transformer is having only single path to pass the flux. This is about the core type transformer. Coming to the shell type transformer. This is shell type transformer. These are windings: LV winding, HV winding, LV winding, HV winding, LV. This is a type of sandwich type windings are placed. Here the flux passing. This is the flux. How to define this shell type transformer means steel core. This is the core. Steel core is surrounds the major part of the winding, whereas here winding surrounds the steel core in core type. In shell type, the core surrounds the winding. This is the difference between this core type and shell type. And the next point is less conducting material is required and more iron is required. And finally, there is having two paths for the flux passing. Here is the one path and here is the second path. Middle one having one path and the edges are having two paths. This winding is of sandwich type winding. Sandwich Sandwich means LV, HV, LV, HV. And this is about construction of transformer. In the next video, we will discuss about operation of a transformer. Thank you for watching.